Hello, my dear students. We are studying quadrilateral in class 9 CBSE. In our previous videos, we learned about some theorems based on quadrilateral. In this video, we learn to solve some questions based on quadrilaterals. First question is, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find the angles. The angles of the quadrilateral are given in the ratio. So we suppose that the angles of quadrilateral be 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. We know that the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equals 360. This is known as angle sum property of quadrilateral. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 13 30x equals 360. So x equals 360 upon 30 ना, ये मल्टीप्लाई वाला नंबर नीचे जाएगा. 0 से 0 कैंसिल, 3 से 36 को कैंसिल करो, दैट इज 12. The value of x is 12. So the angles are 3x means 3 into x, that is 3 into 12, 36 degree. Next angle is 5x, 5 into x, 5 into 12, 60. Next is 9x, 9 into x, 9 into 12, 108 degree. And the last is 13x, 13 into x, 13 into 12, that is 156 degree. So these are the required angles of this quadrilateral. You can add them. You will see that their sum is 360. See, 6 plus 0 6 plus 8 14 plus 6 20. 0 carry over 2, 2 plus 3 5 plus 6 11, 11 3 plus 4 3 plus 2 5 plus 11 plus 12. You can see again 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 20, carry over 2, then 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 0, 11 plus 5 16 का 6, carry over 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 360. Okay. Now next, three angles of a quadrilateral are 50, 90 and 110. Find the fourth angle. So let the fourth angle be x. So angles of quadrilateral are one angle 50 degree, another one 90, then 110 and then x. These are the four angles of this quadrilateral. We know that the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360. So 50 plus 90 plus 110 plus x equals 360. This is known as angle sum property of quadrilateral. 50 plus 90 140, 140 plus 110 is 250, 250 plus x is 360. So x equals 360 minus 250. X is 110. Okay. So the fourth angle is 110 degree. That's all for this video. We'll continue the same topic in our next video also. We'll solve some more problems based on quadrilateral in our next video. Thank you.